Let's review your MT9 LT6 assignment. Before we start, don't forget your name. Make sure you do questions 1 through 8, either before you do the paper assignment or after. It doesn't really matter. And on question number 9, I would venture to say that you draw a picture. We have two chords that intersect inside the circle, so let's mark those. So we have G, I don't know what happened to that other one, there we go. We have GH and JK, and they're going to intersect at point L. Now we're told, I didn't draw it to scale obviously because I didn't look at it, we're told G to J is 122 degrees. We're told H to K is 80 degrees. And we want to find HLK. We want to find that angle. Well, that's pretty basic from our seminar. The measure of angle HLK is going to be since they intersect inside, is going to be the average of our two arcs. So I'm going to take 122 plus 80, and I'll divide that by 2. Well, 122 plus 80 is 202. Divided by 2, we'll get 101 degrees. Now, 10 through 12, I'll go with this picture. So we're asked, first off, what's the measure of arc MP? Well, MP is going to be the same as my central angle, which is 60 degrees. So I know that's going to be 60 degrees. And then we want to see which of the following are true. Let's start with our first one. And we take a look here. Angle L, is that NQ minus MP divided by 2? Sure it is. So angle K is going to be one of our choices. Now, if we replace angle L with 44, is that going to be NQ minus 60? Take half of that? Sure it will be. So the letter L is correct. Okay, not N, because notice N they're adding. Okay, now let's actually do the work to see if letter P is correct. So 44, actually let's get rid of the 2. Let's multiply both sides by 2. So in other words, 88 equals the measure of arc NQ minus 60. Well, we'll add 60 to both sides. And we can definitely see that's not true, isn't it? Because we're going to get 148 equals the measure of arc NQ. In fact, looking ahead, that's the answer to number 12. Okay, so it's not N, it's not P. The interior measure is equal to the arc measure. No. An interior angle is always half of the arc measure. Yes. Okay, and I do believe that is the first page of your assignment.